This is our 6th model wood sawdust machine, and here is its machine's input. This machine has 2 inputs. After crushing, the material will out from here. And we also have other big models. Our machine can equipped with wheels. And here you can see this is our big model in stock. It just equipped with the motor can be ready to ship. This model is our 1200 model wood sawdust machine, and the material will put into here. It's the machine's input, and after crushing, the material will drop down under the machine.